What's happening, guys? Welcome to RGHtechTv. This is Poco F1, and recently I made a video showcasing some of the official skins made by Xiaomi, and I'm glad that many of you guys actually liked that video. Now there are some limitations to these official skins, guys. So first things first, these actually come in only 4 categories, and each category has only one option as of now. So you have the ebony wood, you have the black leather, sandstone and camo variants, and none of these actually cover the edges or sides. So a lot of you people actually complained about this in that video as well. Now there is a company called Gadgetshieldz which actually contacted me and sent me some skins. We'll review them in this video, and they were kind enough to give coupon code as well. So the coupon code is RGH15. I'll leave the complete details in the description box below, guys. You can check that out, which should give you 15% off on your orders. And now if you go to their website, you can find that they have a lot of categories like wood, carbon fiber, stone, raptor, camo, sandstone, leather, and a lot of variations with different colors among them to choose from. So definitely you can check that out. And I actually asked them to send 3 variants, guys. So this is the white marble, this is the bamboo, and this is the carbon fiber. So till we get the armored edition, we'll definitely try this one. And one more thing, if you notice, guys, each of these will cover the camera module as well, which is pretty good thing. And there is one more customization element over here. You can also change the camera module. So if you pay a little extra, I believe you can get these camera modules, so you can add them and give good accents. Now there is one very important thing to be mentioned, guys. You actually have 2 variants of skins. First variant is full black, which actually covers the edges or sides. So this black carbon fiber is the full black variant, which actually covers the edges or sides. You also have the flat back, which does not cover the edges or sides. So you have an option to go with full back or the flat back, and you also have an option to choose with logo or without logo as well. You can find that on their website. So I'll quickly try and install these in this video, and I'll show you how to install. But for further assistance, you can actually go to their official YouTube channel. I'll leave the links in the description box below. You can check that out for more information on how to apply. So quickly, guys, let me install these and let's see how well they actually fit. So guys, this is the marble variant, and as you can notice, it has nice smooth surface. Let me just focus on this one so that you can have a closer look. As you can notice, it has nice smooth texture, and even the logo is properly visible, and the edges are also blended properly. And camera module also sits in the right position, guys. As you can notice, absolutely no issues. So definitely this also looks pretty good. So guys, this is the bamboo variant. As you can notice, it actually looks fantastic, guys. See, have a look at the texture, guys. Texture and color, everything looks fantastic. Even the camera module is properly located, as you can notice. There is absolutely no issues, and the logo is also properly visible. Have a look at the texture, guys. This is just amazing. Okay, so this is the black carbon fiber variant, and as you can see, it looks fantastic. It has very good texture, guys. And to align this Type-C port speaker grill, you actually require a lot of patience. As you can notice, it has perfect alignment of 3.5mm headphone jack, a secondary mic for noise cancellation. So this is the full back variant, guys. So you can see that the sides are also covered properly. So you can see that it has perfect cutouts for power button, volume rockers, and also SIM tray. As you can notice, guys, as I mentioned, you require a lot of patience to align them properly. But guys, once everything is done, this actually looks beautiful, to say the least, guys. And the contrast which that camera module adds is also pretty aesthetically pleasing. As you can notice, the red and black accents definitely go pretty good. So that's it, guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up. And as mentioned earlier, the coupon code is given in the description box below. Kindly use that if you want to purchase. And one more thing, guys, in the previous video, people had actually asked me, like, can we reuse the skins? Yes, if you can preserve the adhesive, then you can definitely reuse the skins as well. So that's it, guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RGHtechTv, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon.